seeing much the same. It's only strengthening our little community with people reaching out to connect and assist more than ever.
Some really interesting and wonderfully diverse comments come through for us, Michael. Thank you for sharing them with us.
Thanks, Hilary.
You're listening to Life Matters and you're on Radio National.
Hello, I'm Ludwig van Beethoven, and I'm always be here for you. For your full of joy or full of sorrow. I am sad when you make history. Next time, please.